Hello guys. That's what I've been doing, trying to clean this backyard up. Gotta unload this truck. Got some stuff in there, not a whole lot, but trying to beat the snow. Just trying to. Our stove in the house went out, so I had to get another one from the landlord. That's a good thing. Alright, I gotta get back busy, unload this. Yeah, all cleaned. Looks a lot better. Now it's time to go to work. See what else I can find. Yeah, cleaned somewhat of that up. That was looking pretty nasty. Alright, I'll let you know if we find anything tonight. Bye. Hey boys, sorry I didn't upload a video last night, but we didn't do no good trying to find scrap. I think it's pretty much died off, but I think it's time to clean the old messy truck. It's getting pretty dusty and dirty. So that's what I'm up to right now. Then I got a ear doctor's appointment. And once I'm done doing that, then I'll go out, dig in the trash and see if I can find anything good tonight. I only got about a half a load to take in, and that ain't enough, you know. I got a long ways to go. I got about an hour's drive to the scrap yard, so I don't really want to take a half a load in, you know. I want to take a good load in. Alright, hope y'all doing fine on this beautiful sunny day. I'm gonna get busy and clean this truck. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey, can't see nothing, can you? Well, we didn't find nothing, so I'm gonna go in here and put this video up. Y'all have a nice night. Bye.